Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a bottom navigation bar using HTML5 and CSS3. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the software itself, which is TextEdit. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for the application, TextEdit, click on this, and then Command S to save. Go to the desktop, start a new folder called Bottom Navigation Bar. Create and then save the TextEdit file as index.html. Yes, save using .html. Increase the size of the TextEdit file. Increase the font size. Command plus a couple of times and then less than, exclamation mark, doc type in capitals, HTML, new line, less than HTML. Go to a new line again, less than slash HTML. Within this we need the head and body. We can have the title within the head if required to, but not for this tutorial. So we are now ready to insert all the HTML and CSS, go into the body, and bring in the navigation bar. Less than div class equals speech marks nav bar. Greater than, go to a new line, indent less than ref equals speech marks hashtag home class equals speech marks active greater than home less than slash a greater than, go to a new line again, indent less than ref equals speech marks hashtag news greater than news less than slash a greater than, and then go to the previous line of code, highlight, copy, go to a new line, indent, command V to paste, and change news to contact. Likewise on the right hand side, go to a new line and then end with the div tag, less than slash div greater than, go to a new line again, less than div class main. This is for the headings and paragraphs. Go to a new line, less than h1 greater than bottom navigation bar, less than slash h1. Go to a new line again, insert a paragraph if required to, but we don't have to do that. Go to a new line again, less than slash div to end. Command S to save. The navigation bar and text has been inserted. So now what is left to do is to bring in the CSS coding. Go all the way to the top. Within head we need style, less than style greater than, go to a new line, less than slash style greater than. Within style, bring in all the CSS required to make the navigation bar work, function, and change the aspect of what we see on screen. Body, curly brace, new line, indent, font, family. Colon, Arial, Helvetica, sans serif, semicolon, new line, curly brace, go to a new line again, dot navbar, as we have a class called navbar, so the CSS is all connected to the HTML5 navigation bar. Curly brace, new line, indent, overflow, background color, position, bottom width. Go back to the top after overflow, colon, highlight, copy, paste at the end of each word. Go back to the top again, overflow, hidden, semicolon, background color, hashtag 333, semicolon. Ignore any spellings, go to position, fix positioning for a reason, bottom 0, semicolon. The width can be 100%, semicolon, new line, curly brace. Go to a new line again, dot nav bar a curly brace, new line, float, display, color, text align, padding, text decoration, font size. Go back to the top after float, colon, highlight, copy, paste at the end of each word. Go back to the top again, float to the left, semicolon, display, block, semicolon, color, hashtag F2 3 times, semicolon, text align, the center, semicolon, padding, 14 pixels and 16 pixels, semicolon, text decoration, none for a reason, font size, 17 pixel, semicolon, go to a new line, curly brace, go to a new line again, dot nav bar, a colon, hover, curly brace, new line, background and color, colon, hashtag F1 3 times, semicolon, color, black, semicolon, go to a new line, curly brace, ignore any spellings, go to a new line again, dot nav bar, a dot active, curly brace, new line, background color and color. Copy the previous line of code, paste, change background to dash color, and then change the background color to something else, 4CA5 F50, and then background or color itself to white, new line, curly brace, command S to save, and then main dot main, curly brace, new line, padding and margin bottom. Go back to padding, colon, highlight, copy, paste at the end of margin bottom. Go back to padding, 16 pixels, semicolon, margin bottom, 30 pixels, semicolon, go to a new line, curly brace to end. So the HTML5 and CSS3 has not been programmed, so we can go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, Desktop, bottom navigation bar, Go to index.html, right click, open with Safari. Minimize Finder, decrease the size of the web browser and decrease the size of the text edit file so we can then see what is happening to both windows at a simultaneous and concurrent level. So we have a navigation bar fixed to the bottom of the screen, a bottom navigation bar. Quit Safari, quit text edit. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.